Welcome to Auto Trend. Welcome back to Auto Trend, where we celebrate the most iconic cars in history. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true automotive legend of the 1967 Mini Cooper. This car isn't just a classic, it's a symbol of innovation, style, and pure driving fun. The 1967 Mini Cooper stands out with its compact design, making it perfect for navigating tight city streets. Its small size doesn't compromise its charm. The iconic round headlights, wide grille, and boxy shape give it an unmistakable look that's both practical and timeless. Under the hood, the 1967 Mini Cooper featured a small yet powerful engine that packed plenty of punch. This car was designed for efficiency and agility, delivering a zippy and responsive driving experience. Whether cruising through the city or taking on winding roads, the Mini Cooper provided unmatched handling and fun. Inside, the Mini was all about clever use of space. Despite its small size, the cabin offered surprising comfort for both driver and passengers. The minimalist dashboard and stylish upholstery gave it a unique personality, reflecting the 1960s innovative spirit. This car wasn't just about looks and performance, it also made a name for itself in motorsports. The Mini Cooper earned its place in history by dominating rally competitions, proving that small cars can achieve big things. The 1967 Mini Cooper remains an icon of British automotive history, loved by enthusiasts worldwide. It's a car that's small in size but big in character. Thank you for tuning in to Auto Trend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into classic cars and automotive legends. See you in the next episode.